Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is the Outdoor Cooking Guy and we're cooking amazing lamb over a wooden fire. You're going to like this one. Just got some kindling in a fire bowl. Just get the fire started. We're going to need it to burn down a little bit before we put the lamb on. Just on with some logs, just some hardwood, kiln dried. We'll let that burn down a little bit while we get on with the lamb. It's got a nice big fresh leg of lamb. Got some seasoning in the pot. The recipe will be below, but it's dried rosemary, garlic, salt and pepper basically, and a little bit of paprika. Just going to score the meat to allow the heat to get into the bone, and season those cuts as well. We'll season on both sides. And now onto the grill. Fire's burning nicely, a little bit of smoke coming off, some flames licking the lamb, all adding to the flavour. And we sort of need to turn these quite often, otherwise obviously they will start to burn. We don't want that. It's a big piece of meat. We can control the heat by lifting the grill higher or lower, but also rotation, just to get an even colouring all around the lamb. It's not the easiest thing to turn. You can see here it's picking up a lovely pink colour from the smoke. Again, that's all adding to the flavour. It's quite pleasing, it's quite even, it's cooking quite well. Just give it a bit of a rake and we'll add some more fuel. Preferably in the fire. So just give them another little rotation. Just make sure they're not catching. It's a brilliant way to cook. It's not really very high maintenance. You have to turn them now and again, but you can control it with the distance from the heat by lifting the grill up and down. It's a really good way of cooking outside. So this is now the wet version. So this is fresh garlic and fresh rosemary. We're going to make that into a bit of a paste with some oil. We're going to paint it all over the lamb. So on we go. And we'll do both sides of the lamb like we did with the dry seasoning. Always trying to add flavour in layers as you go along with the cook. There's a nice contrast with the fresh version and the dried version. We have slightly different flavour profiles, the fresh and dried. You get to experience both here, which is excellent. So now we'll do the other side. Get it into all those nooks and crannies again. Flames are still licking the bottom of the meat. It's lovely. And they're looking pretty good now, aren't they? I mean, how good does that look? So off they come. We'll have a little rest on the board. Let's have a look. It's just the most wonderful looking thing, isn't it? If only you could smell that amazing lamb, sweet lamb flavour. It's pink, it's not raw, it's not rare, it's juicy. It's absolutely stunning. If you enjoyed that video, please give it a thumbs up, please subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.